Hey everyone, in today's video I'll show you how to accept and let the people join your meeting in Google Meet. This is super quick and easy, so let's get started. First of all, join or start your meeting. First, open a Google Meet on your phone and make sure your device is connected to the internet. After that, you will see the interface. Now you need to create a Google Meet. To create a Google Meet, simply click on New. Here you can create a link and provide this link to the people, or you can schedule your class from the Google Calendar and you can add the people from here. After you have created a class, when someone tries to join with your link or a code, you will see a pop-up at the bottom of your screen that says someone wants to join this meeting. Then accept the request. To let them in, simply tap admit or allow. This instantly adds them to your meeting. Now decline if needed. If you don't recognize the person, you can also hit deny entry. They won't be able to join unless you change your mind later. And that's it. That's how you accept participants in Google Meet. Super simple. If you found this helpful, don't forget to like, subscribe and check out my other Google Meet tutorials, and I'll see you in the next one.